Hi there, welcome. Today we're in my kitchen. I finally had the chance to decorate in my beloved carrot theme. I am so happy to share this with you today. I'm just going to take you around the kitchen and show you all the little areas that I decorated in this carrot theme for spring. Also, I hope you do keep an eye out. I just very recently, in the last 3 days, released 3 shorts videos, and I show you some other areas in the house that I decorated for spring. I just did not have time to do full videos on those. However, to your delight, they're nice and short, very quick. So just look for Antonette Decorating Shorts and they should come up, and you can watch all 3 if you haven't already. And the next 2 videos before my spring Easter home tour video is just going to be the finishing off of decorating this kitchen. So there will be a tiered tray and then a little very quick sort of DIY slash flip. Not quite sure what to call it, but it's going to be very quick. And right after that will come the spring Easter home tour, and after the home tour, the spring decorating is not done. I will be showing you how I decorate a vignette for spring in black, white, and green, and that will be part of Antonette's vignettes. So look out for that the first Tuesday in April. So now let me show you how I've decorated. So I'm starting off here with this great little carrot vignette just on the countertop here. So what I've done is I've draped this fabulous little tea towel off of a riser. And then just on top of that, this little tile here. A lot of you know I love black and white check. So when I found this tile, and I don't recall where I found it, but I just absolutely knew I had to have this. What a great little tile with a carrot on it and just some little accessories here. I took this print, I printed it off of the internet and then just put it in a nice little frame. And then this large carrot here, it's sort of like a raffia type material, and that's from Michael's. I believe I purchased that last year at Michael's, and I think maybe I got it on sale. And it's just one of those fabulous pieces that you just can't let go, and when you find it, and you must grab it. So that's just a little vignette there, and now I'm going to take you to the kitchen table. At the end of the table here, one of the ends, I have this fabulous little lumbar pillow that I purchased very recently at Walmart. It's really soft and plush. I really love that carrot theme. And this little plush carrot here that I got from Dollarama, I shared that with you guys very recently in my last shopping haul video. And then up there on the door, very sunny here today, but up here I have this great little garland of carrots, and I'm going to show you in a future video very soon what else I add to this little area here. So here is my vignette that is centered on my kitchen table here. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. What I did was I first experimented to see if I was going to like it, and then underneath it, when I had decided I was going to take everything away, and underneath it place some orange colored placemats that I have. But once I had this all up, it really sort of took a bit of time. I thought, no, I don't think I want to disturb this. So I just kept it as is without the placemats underneath. So it's directly on the table here. So when we get up close here, we can see this cute little bowl I bought last year at HomeSense with carrots on it. It says made in Italy. It has a little sticker there that I haven't even taken off. I actually kind of like that sticker. which sounds kind of silly, but I'm just going to keep that on there for now. And then this great little bunny that I purchased at Dollarama. And you can see how, as usual in my decorating, I've taken sort of some lower end and higher end pieces and just mixed them together. This little carrot dish here from Walmart. These you saw me share in a recent shopping haul video as well. And then this guy, this car racer, so adorable, from HomeSense. Purchased him last year as well, I think. And number 6 just happens to be my favorite number. That's all on this black riser that I have here that I purchased at Michael's. And then another one of those tea towels. I love that this set of tea towels came as 2 of the same tea towels. Oftentimes in sets you get matching but not exactly the same, and I love these tea towels so much that I was very happy to get 2 of them. So that's what this little corner of the kitchen looks like here. My husband happens to just love this carrot look. It's so funny that he would be so into it, but he thinks it's just adorable, and that gets me excited as well when, you know, family members sort of like what you're doing, because he lives here too. And so I may just have to go all out crazy carrot next year as well. Maybe I'll have even more. On my island here, this great piece that I recently got this year as well. This came from HomeSense. What a beautiful wooden piece. And I just have it on an orange runner there on the island. Please be sure to watch out for an upcoming video where I show you how I style this tiered tray right next to my stove. It will also be in a carrot theme, but a bit different from the rest of the carrot theme going on in my kitchen. It's going to be really cute and really whimsical, so please keep an eye out for that one. And thank you so much for visiting. This video was part of the This Is My Thing monthly collaboration, and a very big thank you to Maria of Yetra Creations for asking me to join. And if you'd like to see everyone's video that's part of this collaboration, please go down to my description box where I've linked the playlist.